Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the new Oppo A83, the 2018 variant. So Oppo A83 was a previously announced device. Now Oppo has upgraded the storage and RAM on the A83 2018 variant, and this device sells for 15,990 in India. So in this video, let's get started with unboxing, and also we'll show you what all comes inside the device. We'll talk about the device, some camera samples, and we'll show you the interface as well. So let's get started. So this is the box packing of the new Oppo A83. You can see that 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. Previously it was 3 and 32GB storage. Now we have the 4 and 64GB storage variant. You can also see A83 2018 variant. Smart selfie and full screen display. That's the latest trend of 18:9 aspect ratio has been also included here. So nothing much in the box. You can see we have the blue variant of the device, and the pricing is 15,990, that's 16,000 in India. And this device comes with the Helio P23 octa-core chipset, so we'll talk about that a bit later. So this is the device, so let's open it. And on the top you can see the new A83. This is in blue variant, so we have the blue variant of this device. So there you go. So that's the blue variant, and it is a matte finish blue variant, unlike the Oppo F5 which came in blue variant. This is not a glossy one, it's a matte finish one. Again, plastic build quality. We have quite a handy device here. So this is a 5.7 inch screen size, so not a very large screen size. It's a pretty compact screen size. We'll just keep this device for a minute before we see other options available in the box. So there you go. Here we have the guide, information guide, and getting started guide. Then we have the SIM ejector pin included. Then we also get a charger. So let's see the voltage rating. So here we have the standard 5 volt 2 ampere charging, and finally you also get the micro USB charging and data syncing cable. So we don't see any earphones included with the box pack. Now let's see the interface of the device. So that's the Oppo A83 2018 variant. So let's go to the settings and see the about phone. So there you go. So this runs on ColorOS version 3.2. The Android version is a Nougat 7.1.1. It's powered by the Helio P23 octa-core chipset, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. You can see that the available storage right now is 50.3 in the first boot. So that's quite good storage available, and that's the version number. Now this device comes with a 5.7 inch HD plus resolution display. It's not a full HD panel, it's a HD plus display, and this has a 1440 by 720p resolution. So that's the display aspect. So this device also comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera, and nothing much changed with the A83 in terms of the camera performance. So this is an LED flash, and we have an 8 megapixel front facing camera as well. So let's go to the camera interface and see what all it offers. So it's quite similar interface what we've seen on other Oppo smartphones in this price segment. So nothing much changed here. Here are some samples we have taken with the Oppo A83 after unboxing the device. The phone also has improved facial recognition for the selfie camera. There is face unlock functionality as well. There is no fingerprint scanner included. Instead, it has a face unlock functionality. Now the phone also comes with a 3180 mAh battery also included. The device is priced 15,999 and available offline as well as online. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Oppo A83, the 2018 variant with upgraded RAM and upgraded storage, which sells for 15,990. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.